is a renewal which preaches that if you join there or if you join that renewal, you will not face or you will not, there will be no need for you to carry the cross, carry any suffering in your life. And saying that only, they call people into this charismatic renewal. And also when people join there, they see that they become prosperous very soon. Even the crosses will be taken away as soon as they join that renewal. That's why people keep saying praise the Lord. Two, they think that that is a sign of thanksgiving to God for Him having taken away the cross from them, the suffering from them. We should go in search of the cross. In what sense? If we love God, Satan will test us. If he tests us, we will have to carry the cross to come out of that test. So, that is a thing there. We will come to that and all afterwards. Now we will see this portion. The reason is this, that those who come to the banquet must not come for the sake of eating, but as a sign that they honor God. So if somebody goes to Mass, they should not go only with other purpose. They should go with love for God and to honor God. The invitation should be worded like this. Therefore, the invitation should be very simple. See, those who wish to eat the donut, come. That's all. Should be the invitation. Here there is an invitation for the Mass. Those who wish to eat the life-giving bread, come. That's all is the invitation given to us. And if you value life, then you will value life-giving bread. And all those who value life-giving bread will go to Mass daily. Others and all will go for just namesake. They should be differentiated from these genuine people. For that only, God sent this powerful delusional we see later on. Now we'll go with this one. I will send this invitation through my Son. Through my Son here means the church and the Bible and CCC, so on. Bible actually is the word of Jesus, who comes in the role of a messenger or Messiah, according to CCC 1. When the message is sent through the messenger, the Messiah, those who do not look at it and say, it is after all only a donut, but instead come honoring me simply because I have invited them, those are the ones to whom I have planned to distribute my property. So, we will first go into the explanation, then we will come back to that once again, so that you might understand how the term banquet refers to the feast spoken of in John 6 chapter 53rd verse. Namely, Christ's flesh as true food and His blood as true drink. The term delicacy or the food refers to the Eucharistic Lord. The food donut given refers to the feast spoken of, which refers to the Eucharistic Lord that appears under the form of bread. Rather than presenting Jesus' flesh in its physical appearance, the parable portrays it as a food prepared for banquet. Note here that it's an ordinary food donut. Like that, the Eucharist is an ordinary food, the bread, the host. Actually, if Jesus had given it in a form of actual flesh, then you can observe that there will be no one in the world who would say that he would not believe the Eucharistic Lord. Repeat it once again, it will get repeated. I will repeat it also afterwards. Actually, if Jesus had given it in a form of actual flesh, then you can observe, or you will surely observe, that there will be no one in the world
who would say that he will not believe the Eucharistic Lord. Because they see the flesh, so they have to. Had he given it in the form of flesh, then as soon as some priest consecrates the bread into his body, then if at all that bread or that host immediately turns into a flesh form, then the whole world will automatically believe. They as a result will come immediately into the Catholic Church. There will be no one in the other denomination or in any other religion if these miracles happen. But why didn't God do like that? Though he had the power to do it, he didn't do it like that because he wanted to test us and find out whether we honor him or whether we honor miracle. See, honoring miracles.